Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how can we count unique values in our data. Let's get into the video. So I have this column which has the different countries' name. Some of the names are being repeated, like USA is repeating, UK is being repeated. So if I want to just count the unique country name, so what I will do, I will use the unique formula. Let's start writing the formula, which is only available in Microsoft Office 365. Its unique formula is start with equal to UNIQ, press tab, array. So this is my array and close of bracket, press enter. So now it's showing me the unique country name. So it's not getting repeated anywhere. So it's only showing me the names for the one. So, but I only want the count of the unique countries. I don't want the names. So what I will do, I will simply apply count A formula, which is COUNTA, press tab, and again I will close another bracket here, press enter. Now you can see it's giving me the count of seven. It means there are seven unique countries in this list. The rest of the cells is just a repeat of the same country's name. So I can easily get the unique countries count by using the unique formula.